some questions need answers. There are questions that need answering, CJ. Maybe not. Can you elevate ramen noodles? Is that a question that needs answering?
Certain you're going to try to figure it out.
I am going to show you how I like to elevate my ramen noodles. It might seem ridiculous because it's just ramen. It's like 37 cents for a bag. It's going to be a little bit more expensive, but a lot more delicious. Let me show you guys how I like to do it. Aren't a lot of moving parts. I'm going to start with my bacon. I always like to use Wright's thick cut bacon because it gives me like a much crispier crisp. Is that how that's what they say, right, CJ?
Sure, that's it.
Yeah, I want to cook that like it's breakfast. I want to go crispy, very, very crispy because we're going to put it in broth later, the ramen noodle broth, and we don't want it to get soggy. So extra, extra crispy. Now once it's crisp, like you like it, probably a 10 on the scale, right?
A 10?
A 10.
That's burnt.
Okay, a 9. An 8.5 on the scale. Let's go ahead and put that on some paper towel and let it drain. Now that gorgeous bacon fat is coming into play with our gorgeous shiitake mushrooms. This is like I'm gonna call it a beefy mushroom.
Do we really have to add mushrooms again?
You know what? They're fantastic. I'm adding them. Let's cook those in the bacon fat. A touch of salt and pepper if you would like. These don't take long. Well, it's like 3 or 4 minutes or so. Now I'm told, because I haven't made ramen noodles in a long time.
Yep.
I'm told this only takes 2 minutes.
Yep.
So I've got a pot on my side burner. If you wanted to, you could do this on your griddle top, but I've got my side burner, so I'm going to use it. Let's add our ramen and the pack. I'm going college.
The seasoning as well.
The seasoning as well. I don't want to mess with it too much. Don't want to mess with perfection, as they say.
Got beef flavor if you were going to do it
No,
right.
the chicken's where it's at. You know, while that is cooking, let's get to our eggs. Let's slide the mushrooms off to the side. Let's crack our eggs into some of that bacon fat, a little bit of salt and pepper, and I want to take these like a fried egg. I like crispy edges. I like the yolk nice and sexy. I don't want it overcooked. We want it to be, you know, like a sexy, gorgeous little fried egg. While that is cooking, let's get to our garnish. I've got some red chilies. I like the color and the heat. Feel free to skip this part if you don't want it to be too spicy, but I definitely like a little bit of spice. I'm also going to do some green onions, some thin little slices. These are not only gorgeous, they also have a really great, wonderful oniony flavor. You know, basically we're kind of like, is this breakfast? CJ, it's bacon and eggs.
It slides into
it's bacon and eggs.
But
I think we're making ramen noodle bacon and eggs. So I have a beautiful little plate here. I do have the liquid, and I mean, right now, college called. Kind of awesome.
Midterms
just like
midterms are on the way.
Is that? Yeah, that's where we are. Let's take our egg over here. Let's do the one that's a little more perfect. Look at this little beauty. Alrighty. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
We're winning. We're winning. Now, what I did mention, let me go with mushrooms. Sorry. I got mushrooms.
Just one egg?
Just one egg.
Okay.
I'll make it a second bowl.
Okay.
All right, now we're going to stack kind of like in little areas.
Quadrants.
CJ, thank you. Quadrants. Get rid of that guy. Quadrants, if you will. We got our mushrooms. Let's go on. Oh, our bacon. I mentioned earlier how crisp we wanted to go with our bacon because I'm doing this move.
Okay.
Okay?
Didn't see that coming.
Yeah? Pretty, right? Let's
Very
go
cool.
with some of our red chilies. Again, you could do these or skip them if you don't like the heat. You do red bell peppers if you want the color.
Oh, yeah.
It would work. Then some of our green onions. We're getting into like gorgeous territory already.
Like a little, almost like pho.
Pho. You know. Doesn't matter how you say it. You can say it right or say it wrong. Last little thing I want to do is Japanese barbecue sauce. Just a little 1-2 over the top. So the question is, can you elevate ramen noodles into something fun, into something delicious, something filling, something hearty? The answer, CJ, is yes, you can.
Yes, you can.
Imagine there's a few different ways you can go about this one. You can just go noodles, like that. Here we go. Mm-hmm.
Yep.
The second noodle episode where
Little Lady and the Tramp.
full tramp,
Full tramp.
full lady. Or check this out. This move. Oh yeah. You can mix that in. Might need a knife and a fork to cut that egg up. But I love this right there. You see that?
Oh, that crispy is what I'm all about.
Heck yeah. I'm gonna try one of those mushrooms. Ooh, a little bit of egg, noodle, some of the heat. Here we go. Right there. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's a hot one too. Hot one. Also, the bacon sits down in the liquid.
It's been soaking in that broth.
Some of that. I think we made breakfast out of ramen noodles, buddy.
It seems to me that
I think we took it. Ramen, fantastic. We just took it to here. Woo! There's that heat. Skip the heat if you don't want it.
Yeah, it's a spicy one, huh?
Also, a little touch of the Japanese barbecue sauce. That's a fun one. Skip that if you want. This is just like playing with your food. How often do we talk about that on the show? Play with your food. You have done everything that we did today, maybe not together. So every once in a while, you don't have to like break the bank to spend a ton of money to make something fun and inventive. I may have found a new addiction, CJ.
Not a bad one.
Reliving the old college days, bringing things to life. Maybe things that should have been dead. No, I'm just kidding. It's really good. It's really, really good. I'm probably going to kill this whole thing. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out. Play with your food. We say it all the time. Mash stuff together. If you haven't yet, be sure to slip the subscribe button. You know.
That.
He knew. It's the ramen noodles that coated the palate. Be sure to click the subscribe button.
All 37 cents of that is just crushing your palate.
Yeah, it's true. Overload.
We'll give you help.
Do the things. Leave a comment. Share it. Like it if you love it. All that fun stuff. This is Cook, Eat, Repeat, where we like to help you become a better cook one recipe at a time. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy, and I'll see you all in the next video.